On Monday, when we were together, we were talking about how we had to have these like pieces. Yesterday's lesson was all about simplifying, putting it into lowest terms. So here's how we're going to handle this. They gave us a large box, which I'm super happy. They've never done that before in this practice. They always give us these tiny boxes. But we're going to do our best ability to kind of cut the boxes in half. And then I'm going to cut this one in half. And here's why. We're going to do the adding part up on top, but the lowest terms part is going to go in the bottom box. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. So when I see the fraction 1/3 plus 1/6, my first thought is, are these like pieces? No. My second thought is, can I count by threes and get to 6? Yes. If I can say yes, then the next thing I want to do is I want to quickly count by threes to the number 6. 3, 6. How many groups of 3 got me to the number 6? Arthur? 2. That means we're going to multiply the bottom by 2 and the top number by 2. You can't just multiply one, you have to multiply both. We can rename this fraction as 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. There's really no need to rename 1/6 because it's already in 6, right? So we're going to slide that fraction down, and now we can put them together. What's 2 6 plus the extra 1 6?
3 6.
3 6. Notice I'm kind of solving this kind of like our little GMA. I'm rewriting. I think that's just helpful, especially when we start subtraction tomorrow. Okay? Now, I'm going to have to simplify this, mainly because if I can look at my numerator, 3, and count to my denominator name, there's definitely another name out there. Can we count by threes and get to 6?
Yes.
And there's another name out there. So we're going to rewrite this fraction, 3 6. This is a review of what you have to finish for me for a grade. So if you forgot what we were doing yesterday, this is a nice little refresher. We're going to take our paper, and 3 isn't on here. So what kind of number is 3? So there's only 2 factors, 1 and 3. And when I take my picture or my paper and I look at 6, how many factors are there?
4.
And I didn't realize this until earlier, but it really is helpful if you just write them in number order. 1, 2, 3, 6. Like follow the order. 1, 2, 3, 6. And what is that greatest common factor that they share? Kane? 3. So remember, when we want things to go smaller, we divide. When we wanted a bigger number, we multiplied. But when we want to go smaller, we have to divide. So we divide the numerator by the 3. We divide the top number by 3. So I have to think to myself, what is a number times 3 that will give me 3? What is that number, Penelope? 1. And what is a number times 3 that gives me 6? What is that number, Kenzie?
It's
2. So what is another name for 3 6?
1.
And that's our answer. 3 is half of 6. That makes sense, right? 1 is half of 2. Okay. Everybody good on number 1? Are there any questions? All right. Hopefully you're writing this down. Okay? This one's a little bit different because I'm looking at this. These are not like pieces. Can I count by 4s and get to 6?
No.
No. So this is where having this little paper is super helpful. I'm going to go down my 4s column, I'm going to go down my 6s column, and I'm looking for a number that they share. And right away, what do I see? 12. So I'm thinking in my head, I want that common denominator to be 12. So I'm going to first count by 6s till I get to 12. 6, 12. And I'm going to count by 4s till I get to 12. 4, 8, 12. Now that I know that I've got that common denominator of 12, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that bottom denominator name as 12 and work on renaming the top. So how many 6s did it take to get to the number 12? 2. So that's the number we're choosing to multiply by. 2 groups of 6 give me 12. 2 groups of 1 give me 2. There's my new equivalent fraction, 2 12ths. How many groups of 4 did it take me to get to 12? Grayson? 3. So that's the number I'm multiplying by. 3 on this side, 3 on the top. 3 groups of 4 is 12. 3 groups of 2 is 6. Now we only have 12ths, right? Bella, can we put these 12ths together?
Yes.
What's 2 12ths plus 6 12ths going to give you?
8 12ths.
8 12ths. Okay? All right. Now, here is a quick and easy tip. Can I simplify this? Can I put it into lowest terms? If your top number is even and your bottom number is even, it definitely can go lower. So, is that true? Yes. So, rewrite it. 8 12ths. This is where you would get your cheat sheet and you would write all your factors for 8 in order. 1, 2, 4, and 8. And then you would get your cheat sheet and you would write all your factors for 12 in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And what is the highest number that they share? Bella? 4. That is the number we want to choose to divide by. So if we divide by 4 on the top, we can also divide by 4 on the bottom, and then we are able to get a new fraction name. So I like to think about multiplying when I think about dividing because it's easier for me. So what times 4 can give me 8? Yes? 2. What times 4 will give me 12? Yes? 3. What is my new fraction name for this? 2. Okay. Here's what I'm going to do. I want you to try number 2. And I'm going to set my timer for 5 minutes. Okay, I think that's plenty of time. And because we just did 2 problems in like 9 minutes. So I want you to solve this one. Probably need to simplify. If you finish that, great. I'll be walking around after 5 minutes to check it. And then go ahead and start on number 4. See what you can do with that one. If you get through 2 and 4, try the challenge. Okay? Go back to your seats. Get busy. Offices should be up.